Drin Hozo, good day. Drin Tatleta Hozo, good afternoon. Shojre Erica, Shojre Deniju, Drin Sul, Echia Shra, Trondek, which in DJ, Tatrant DJ, Jur DJ Ko. Good day. So today's listening exercise is on I and E. So I makes an E sound, so you can write on the top of your listening exercise. I makes an E sound, like B or C. And then plain E makes an A sound, like say and K and day. A. So this is what your listening exercise should look like for I and E. So the first word. I makes an E sound. Repeat that. E, E, E. I am sitting. The ja. The ja. You can also write these words at the top of your listening exercise worksheet. That was helpful for me when I first started doing the listening exercises back in 2008 or 2009. I am sitting. The ja. The ja. The ja. I want it. Nithan. 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 Food. She. 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 Examples of plain E. They. Remember, Zoom doesn't always pick up the sound. So, they. They. So pronounce the T and then the TH. They. 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 My uncle. So this one is a hard one to pronounce and it's hard to pick up the sound. So the only reason why I ever remembered that it had two sounds in it because I was learning how to spell. When I first started learning language, I was learning how to read and write the language before even speaking it, which is usually not how you learn a language. You usually learn from listening and speaking first. But I didn't have as many resources. So, my uncle, She'e. So it's pronounced, this is the way it's supposed to be pronounced. She'e. So She'e is my uncle. Ne'e, your uncle. We'e, his or her uncle. But the reason why it sounds like an E with umlauts instead is because that glottal is there, but it's not it's she'e. So my mouth, when you make an A sound, make an A sound. A, your mouth is kind of open and your tongue is kind of touching behind this bump here. So it's she'e, she'e, she'e. And that's how you pronounce that one. But there's two target sounds in here. Remember that. Number 3, oil and grease. Hey, hey, hey. Examples of here's the difference between the two. The, ja, they. Ni, thun, she'e. She. Hey. I'm going to stop my share and get your papers out and let's do the listening exercise now. So, ishlik. She went to the rock. They teja. They teja. They teja. Nankai. I sit with her uncle. We he the ja. We he the ja. We hey, the, ja. Number Chuck. She said there is no thread. A ko shena. Say a ko shena. A ko shena. Dung. The man bought a hide. Jj eva on Kate. Jj eva on Kate. Jj eva on Kate. Jj eva on Kate. Slonla. I have some dry meat. Nelai guy ida. Nelai guy ida. Nelai guy ida. As you can tell, I'm really nasalizing those words because of this little squiggly line underneath it. Chuck Nung Kai. He left with our grandfather. Neat say hey Tasia. Neat say hey Tasia. Neat say hey Tasia. This one's a little bit tricky. Number Chuck Nung Kai. Sloan lats ought Nung Kai. Strong water is flowing. Chu nin a nin line. Chu nin a nin line. Chu nin a nin line. Danankai. Danankai. Are you walking to the house? Ya ni jo I how. Ya ni jo I how. Ya ni jo I how. Dunnan kites I slick. My axe was stolen. Shichin a trene I. Shichin a trene I. Islikde chan. My uncle is talking to the man. She'e jijay he hey. She'e jijay he hey. She'e jijay he hey. Masicho, hand in your worksheets, take a photo of your worksheet and hand it in to your instructor. Masicho, if you're taking it for credit or whatever.